Have you ever wondered how to make money online? The question is simple, yet the answer is as vast and varied as the internet itself. In this digital age, the World Wide Web is not just a tool for communication or information. It's a bustling marketplace, a platform for innovation, and a launching pad for businesses big and small. The internet has undeniably become a goldmine for entrepreneurs. From e-commerce and content creation to digital marketing and remote consulting, the opportunities to turn a profit online are seemingly endless. Each day, individuals around the globe are harnessing the power of the internet to create wealth, achieve financial independence, and even transform their passions into lucrative ventures. But how do you navigate this digital landscape? How do you identify the right opportunity for you? And most importantly, how do you transform your online presence into a money-making machine? Stay tuned to find out how you can tap into this gold mine. Understanding the online space is the first step towards making money online. The digital world is vast and diverse, filled with an array of platforms, each with their unique characteristics and audiences. To thrive online, you need to navigate these waters with a clear understanding of what each platform offers and how it aligns with your goals. Think of the online space as a sprawling city. Each platform is a different neighborhood, each with its unique culture and crowd. Facebook, for instance, is like a bustling town square where people of all ages gather to share and engage in conversation. Instagram, on the other hand, is more like an art gallery where visuals and aesthetics reign supreme. Now, why is understanding these platforms so crucial? Well, each platform caters to a specific audience with distinct tastes and preferences. Twitter users, for instance, appreciate quick, concise information, while YouTube viewers might prefer longer, more detailed content. By understanding these preferences, you can tailor your content to resonate with your target audience, maximizing engagement and, ultimately, revenue. But it's not just about understanding the platforms. It's also about understanding the trends. Online trends can change faster than the weather, and keeping up can sometimes feel like chasing the wind. But staying on top of trends is essential in the online space. It allows you to remain relevant and take advantage of opportunities as they arise. So how do you gain this understanding? Research, observation, and experience. Follow successful online entrepreneurs and observe what they're doing. Use online tools to track trends and monitor audience behavior. And of course, dive in and learn from your own experiences. Remember, the online space is not a one-size-fits-all environment. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape that requires adaptability and a willingness to learn. The more you understand it, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its twists and turns, and the more likely you are to find success. Knowing your platform is half the battle won. Identifying your niche is a crucial step in your online money-making journey. Picture a bustling marketplace filled to the brim with shops. Each shop is unique, catering to a specific customer base. Some specialize in vintage clothing, others in rare books, and still others in handmade jewelry. This is much like the online space, where your niche is your specialty shop. Your niche is the intersection of your skills, passions, and a demand in the market. It's where you can leverage what you're good at and what you love to do in a way that others find valuable. It's your sweet spot, your unique selling proposition, your standout factor in a sea of online ventures. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I find my niche? Well, start by asking yourself some questions. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have? Where do these two intersect? And importantly, is there a demand for this intersection in the market? Let's look at a few examples. Maybe you're passionate about fitness and have a knack for motivating others. Your niche could be online fitness coaching. Or perhaps you're an amazing cook with a love for vegan cuisine. Your niche could be creating and selling vegan meal plans. There's also the possibility that you're a tech whiz with a deep love for video games. You could find your niche in designing custom gaming equipment. The possibilities are virtually endless. The key here is to remember that your niche should be something you enjoy and are good at, but it also needs to be profitable. It's about finding the balance between passion and profit. Don't be discouraged if you don't find your niche immediately. It takes time, reflection, and research. But once you find it, It becomes your guiding light, your North Star in the vast online marketplace. And remember, you don't have to do it all alone. There are plenty of resources available to help you explore different niches, understand market demands, and hone your skills. Find your niche, and you're already on the path to success. Now, let's talk about the big question: how to monetize your online presence. The beauty of the digital world is that it offers countless ways to monetize your online presence. One of the most common methods is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service, and in return, you get a commission on every sale made through your referral link. It's like being a digital salesperson, only you don't have to go door to door. Another popular method is selling your own products or services. If you're a graphic designer, for instance, you could offer your design services or sell your art prints. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you could sell workout plans or offer personal training sessions. The possibilities are endless and only limited by your creativity and skills. But what if you don't want to sell anything? Well, running ads is another great way to monetize your online presence. You can partner with ad networks that pay you for displaying ads on your website, blog, or YouTube channel. The more traffic you have, the more money you can potentially make. You could also consider sponsored posts or collaborations. Companies are willing to pay influencers and bloggers to promote their products or services. However, it's important to only promote products that you genuinely believe in and are relevant to your audience. Don't forget about crowdfunding or membership platforms like Patreon. These platforms allow your audience to support you financially in return for exclusive content or perks. This method is especially effective if you have a loyal audience that values what you offer. Lastly, you can also monetize your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses or ebooks. This is a fantastic way to generate passive income because once you've created the course or ebook, you can sell it over and over again. But here's the thing, not every method will work for everyone. It's essential to choose a method that aligns with your niche and audience. If you're a travel blogger, for example, affiliate marketing for travel gear or running travel-related ads might be more effective than selling online courses. Remember, the key here is to choose a method that aligns with your niche and audience. Building a strong online presence is crucial for making money online. It's the foundation upon which all your digital efforts rest. But what does it mean to have a strong online presence? Well, it's a blend of quality content, audience engagement, and search engine optimization, all seasoned with consistency and patience. Let's start with quality content. Picture this. Your online presence is a digital storefront. Now, would you walk into a shabby, disorganized shop? Probably not. The same goes for your online presence. You need to create content that is not only relevant and informative, but also engaging and visually appealing. It's your virtual handshake, your first impression, and we all know how much first impressions count. Next, we have audience engagement. You could have the most captivating content out there, but if you're not engaging with your audience, you're missing out on a significant part of the equation. Respond to comments, start conversations, ask questions. Engagement is about creating a community, a loyal following that feels connected to you and your brand. And then there's search engine optimization, or SEO. You want your content to be seen, right? Well, SEO is your spotlight. It's about utilizing keywords, meta descriptions, and other techniques to make your content more visible to search engines, thereby increasing your chances of being discovered by potential clients or customers. Now remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a strong online presence takes time. It's about consistency, regularly updating your content, and staying active in your engagement. And it's about patience, understanding that success won't come overnight, but stick with it, and you'll see results. To sum it up, a strong online presence is about more than just being online. It's about creating quality content, engaging with your audience, optimizing for SEO, and doing it all consistently. And remember, patience is a virtue in this digital world. A strong online presence is your ticket to making money online. So buckle up and get ready for the journey. The online world awaits you. So, are you ready to start your online money-making journey? We've come a long way, haven't we? We started by understanding the vast and diverse online space, then moved on to identifying your niche, something you're passionate about and can turn into a source of income. We delved into how to monetize your online presence, from affiliate marketing to sponsored content, and even selling your own products or services. But remember, building a strong online presence is key. It's about creating valuable content consistently, engaging with your audience, and leveraging the power of social media platforms. Making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires patience, consistency, and continuous learning. But believe me, the potential is vast. Thousands of people are doing it, and so can you. So, what are you waiting for? Don't wait any longer. Start your online money-making journey today.